Listen up, you Muppets. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, and like you're running on fumes? It's probably that sugary garbage you're pouring down your throats. Those store-bought drinks are full of more chemicals than a bloody science experiment, and they're doing nothing for your health. But don't worry, you donkey. I'm here to show you how to ditch those toxic concoctions and whip up some insanely delicious and healthy drinks right in your own kitchen. We're talking fresh, natural ingredients that will actually nourish your body and make you feel like a bloody champion. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share 5 of my favorite healthy drink recipes that are so easy to make. Even you lot can't screw them up. We've got detox waters, superfood smoothies, and even a bedtime drink to help you sleep like a baby. And trust me, these drinks taste bloody brilliant. So stick around and let's get this healthy hydration party started. Alright, you lazy sods, let's kick things off with a drink that'll cleanse your system and fire up your metabolism. Lemon Ginger Detox Water. It's time to ditch that artificial crap and give your body what it craves. First, grab yourself a lemon. Now, I don't want to see any of those sad, dried-out excuses for lemons. We need a plump, juicy one that's practically bursting with flavor. Give it a good sniff. You should be hit with a bright, citrusy aroma that'll wake you up faster than a fire alarm in a dormitory. Next, we need some ginger. And I'm not talking about that powdered stuff that's been sitting in your spice rack since the Stone Age. Get yourself a fresh piece of ginger root and give it a good scrub. We want that fiery, pungent kick to cut through the sweetness of the lemon. Now chop that lemon and ginger into slices. Don't even think about using a blunt knife, you hear me? We need clean, precise cuts, not a mangled mess. Once you've got your slices, toss them into a jar of water. We're talking about good old-fashioned H2O here, not some sugary soda abomination. Let that mixture infuse for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight. This will give the flavors time to marry and create a symphony of taste that'll blow your socks off. The lemon will add a refreshing zing, while the ginger brings the heat and helps with digestion. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Drink this first thing in the morning and I swear you'll feel like you can conquer the world. It's the perfect way to kickstart your day, flush out those toxins, and give your metabolism a much-needed boost. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Alright, you lot, it's time to ditch those sugary smoothies from the shop and whip up something that's actually good for you. I'm talking about a green glow smoothie that's packed with nutrients and will make your skin glow like the bloody sun. First up, we need spinach. And I don't want to hear any whining about how much you hate greens. Spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants, and it's going to make this smoothie taste absolutely banging. So grab a handful of those leafy greens and chuck them into your blender. Next, we need a banana. Make sure it's ripe with a few brown spots. That's when you know it's at peak sweetness. No green bananas, you hear me? We're not making a smoothie for a bunch of chimpanzees. Now, for the green apple. This will add a tartness that balances out the sweetness of the banana and gives the smoothie a refreshing bite. Plus, it's packed with fiber, which is great for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. And finally, the secret ingredient, chia seeds. These tiny little seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Plus, they add a satisfying thickness to the smoothie that'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now blitz everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Don't even think about serving this with lumps, you hear me? It should be like silk, gliding down your throat. Pour it into a glass, take a sip, and feel the goodness coursing through your veins. This green glow smoothie is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it the perfect breakfast or snack. It's so good you'll forget you're practically drinking a salad. Now, for those of you who need a little pick-me-up, I've got something even better than that burnt, bitter coffee you call a beverage. It's called a golden turmeric latte, and it's gonna rock your world. First, grab yourself some almond milk or coconut milk. We're not using cow's milk for this recipe, you hear me? We want something light, creamy, and full of flavor. Now for the star of the show, turmeric. This bright yellow spice is a bloody miracle worker. It's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with everything from joint pain to boosting your immune system. We're going to use a generous teaspoon of turmeric powder for that beautiful golden hue and earthy flavor. Next, we need some cinnamon. Not only does it smell divine, but it also helps to regulate blood sugar levels and adds a warm, comforting flavor to the latte. A pinch is all you need or you'll overpower the other flavors, and for a little kick, we're adding a pinch of black pepper. Trust me on this one. Black pepper actually enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, making it even more potent. Now, for a touch of sweetness, we're adding a teaspoon of honey. Make sure it's raw, unprocessed honey for maximum health benefits. None of that artificial sweetener rubbish, you hear me? Heat your milk in a saucepan over medium heat, then whisk in the turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, and honey. Keep whisking until everything is combined and the latte is nice and frothy. Pour it into your favorite mug, take a sip, and feel the warmth spread through your body. This golden turmeric latte is the perfect way to start your day or unwind after a long day. It's like a warm hug in a mug. Alright you lot, let's talk about antioxidants. These little powerhouses are essential for fighting off damage from free radicals and keeping your body in tip-top shape. And what better way to get your daily dose of antioxidants than with a delicious berry antioxidant blast? First up, we need blueberries. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. They're also low in calories and high in flavor, making them the perfect addition to any healthy smoothie. Grab a handful and toss them into your blender. Next, we need strawberries. Not only are they delicious, but they're also a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and folate. Plus, they add a beautiful red hue to the smoothie that's sure to brighten up your day. Now for the Greek yogurt. We're not using that sugary flavored yogurt, you hear me? We want plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt for its high protein content and gut-healthy probiotics. It'll add a creamy texture and a tangy flavor to the smoothie. And for a boost of healthy fats and fiber, we're adding flax seeds. These little seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. Just a tablespoon is all you need. Finally, add your liquid of choice. Water is always a good option, but you can also use almond milk, coconut milk, or even unsweetened juice for a flavor boost. Blitz everything together until it's smooth and creamy, then pour it into a glass and enjoy. This berry antioxidant blast is the perfect breakfast, snack, or post-workout drink. It's packed with nutrients that will keep you feeling full and energized all day long. Now, for those of you who struggle to get a good night's sleep, I've got a special treat for you. It's called Bedtime Honey Chamomile Tea, and it's like a lullaby in a mug. First, grab yourself a chamomile tea bag. Chamomile is known for its calming and relaxing properties. It's been used for centuries to help people fall asleep and stay asleep. Boil some water. And for God's sake, use fresh water, not that stale stuff that's been sitting in the kettle all day. The water should be piping hot to properly brew the tea. Pour the hot water over the chamomile tea bag and let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. This will give the tea time to release its flavor and aroma. While the tea is steeping, grab your honey. Raw, unprocessed honey is best, as it contains enzymes and antioxidants that are beneficial for health. Plus, it's naturally sweet and delicious. Once the tea has finished steeping, remove the tea bag and add a teaspoon of honey. Stir until the honey is dissolved and the tea is slightly sweetened. Now, for the love of all that is holy, turn off your bloody phone, dim the lights, and climb into bed. This bedtime honey chamomile tea is best enjoyed in a peaceful and relaxing environment. Take slow, deep breaths and let the chamomile work its magic. Trust me, after a cup of this tea, you'll be sleeping like a baby in no time. So there you have it, you lot. 5 insanely delicious and healthy drink recipes that are so easy to make, even a donkey could manage it. Now, stop making excuses and start making these drinks a part of your daily routine. Your body will thank you for it. Which of these drinks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now go forth and conquer your health, one delicious drink at a time.